All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their white stainless steel cups with bag. Now, the thing that came in the mail said this is a beach bag, so that's what I'm gonna still say that this is. I'll seal the break. Let's see if it's a beach bag. Oh, wow, it's a bunch of stuff. Okay, so, you know, the Easter grass, as I call it. Look at that, got a tumbler. This will fit way more alcohol, coffee. Does that twist off? Yeah. Look at that. And it's got like a sliding, interesting. Okay, well that's pretty cool. So we got a thermos. Look at that, you got a scrunchie. A straw for your thermos. And then yes, a beach bag. And that's it for the box. Look at that. 2 beach bags. Wait, what's this one? Yeah, this is also some kind of little bag thingy with drawstrings. But this one is the one for the beach. This one smells beachy. Look at that, nice size. And then all kinds of Melrose Avenue, Love, 213, LA, Santa Monica, Beach, Dukes. Are they the same? Yeah, both sides are the same. So there's a pocket here on the side for like a drink or something. And also one over here. And you can tighten these to tighten it. And then this is just a normal beach bag. Nice straps though and everything. This is really nice, I think. Might have to use this in Miami. All right, well that'll do it for this beach bag with tumbler unboxing.